Okay guys, how's it going? This is the FLASHFORGE Finder 3D printer. It's not supposed to take TPU filament, but I kind of have worked with it as well as other people. Anywho, here's my little attempt at doing two colors, purple and white. What I did is at 30% into my build, I went ahead, snipped the filament, the purple filament, and started manually feeding this white one. This is what the product looks like. Let's see if we can catch a glimpse. What I will also do is once the finished product is done, I'll start filming or at least take a photo of it. It's looking okay. Let's see. You can kind of tell a little bit. Anywho, let's see if we can get from up top. You did okay.